Hey!
Hey!
Today we're going to do a segment on
Burping randomly!
Burping Triangle! And we'd like to introduce a little guest, and I'm itching out here because it's like, ugh. So this is my little brother, Alden.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a Burping Triangle. First it's going to be Alden, Stephanie, then me. Okay?
Or we'll just burp in a random order.
Yeah.
Okay? Everybody?
Alden, Stephanie,
It doesn't matter. Just go and just go.
I'm not drinking soda.
He blew bubbles and then it went up into his nose and then came back out.
That's funny.
That's how it really went
Anyways.
over my nose.